Hey there Free Fire players, wanna play Free Fire with your squad? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create room in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Free Fire and get ready to dominate. On the right side, smash that mode select button. Yep, the one where you can choose your matches type. Once you are in the mode selection menu, look for custom option. See that little custom option? Tap it. That's your golden ticket to create your own battlefield. Now hit create room, big button, don't miss it. Heads up, you'll need a room card to create a room. If you have one, select it and boom, you are the boss now. Name your room, set your password if you want VIP access only, choose the map, select the game mode, class, squad, battle royale, you name it. Invite your squad, your friend and even rival. Once everyone's in, tap that start button. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can create custom in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.